guys, so I'm actually at the Wal-Mart grocery pickup line right now, waiting, and today it was a little bit different because usually, like the first time I came, they just automatically knew where I was. They just walked right up to my car. I think it was because I was the only car. But today I got a little notification that said, let us know where you are, what color your car is, and what spot you're parked in. So I had like options and I got to choose like where I was parked and all that. But it is dark right now. That's why the lighting's really bad. But as soon as I get home, I will film the grocery haul for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. This is our first grocery haul in our new house. I spent $148, I believe. A little bit more than I usually would spend, just because we needed to like fill up the fridge and the cabinets. So hopefully I got everything. The one thing about doing the grocery online is I haven't been writing a list, which I should have wrote a list, but this time I just went through and just like pick things off the top of my head. So hopefully I did pretty good. But it'll be okay. I can always come back. But anyway, we are starting decorating for Christmas right now, so that's fun. I had to run and grab our order really quick because I don't know what will happen if you're not on time. I'm sure your food will just be sitting in the cooler because it like sits in a cooler the whole time. I can see, like right now I can see where my food is, and it's like in a refrigerated area, so I think they just keep everything cold. And last time I ordered, I did want to say this, everything was cold. Everything was cold. All my bags felt cold, and honestly, I think it helped keep everything chilly. That way I could drive all the way home, because at the time we were still living at the ranch, and which is like 25-30 minutes away from Walmart. So now I'm not that far, so I'm not too worried. But anyway, it looks like they're trying to prepare my order right now, getting all my crates stacked up. And they do come out on in these blue crates that are stacked up. At least that's how our Walmart is. I'm trying to think of what else. A lot of people were asking how you pay. You do like enter your card information on the app, but it doesn't actually charge you until you sign their pad. So it'll tell you what your total is, but once they substitute items, obviously your or if they take, like if you decide you don't want the substituted item, your total will drop down and it will modify that amount before you pay. So just keep that in mind. You don't actually pay till you pick it up from the store. But it looks like she is on her way out, so I'm gonna help her because I ordered like dog food and everything. So I'll talk to you guys when we get home.
I got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me.
Starting over here, I got a Tony's pizza and then 2 of the Tostino's pizzas. It's okay, buddy. Just eat. I got some strawberries. I actually got 4 Lunchables. The kids are eating 2 of those right now because it is way past dinner time. Today has been the busiest day. So we're having like a snack dinner for tonight. But anyway, moving on. I got some roast beef. We're going to make auju sandwiches, basically just roast beef, cheese, and ham on a bread, and we dip it into auju, which I'll show you that in a minute. But I got some Black Forest ham to go with that. Some Nathan's hot dogs. We're going to make chili dogs. I also got some lemons, fudge rounds, some bagels. I meant to get the whole wheat bagels, but this is totally my fault. I thought from the picture these were the whole wheat, they're the everything bagels, but I'll make like an omelet not an omelet, like an egg sandwich out of this. It'll be good. And then I got some ranch coffee creamer, some tortillas. I accidentally ordered 2 packs of tortillas, clearly. I didn't mean to do that, but it's okay. I'll use them up. I got some lettuce, some floss picks, some toothpaste. This is my favorite toothpaste. I swear it has made such a difference on my teeth. I have the most sensitive teeth ever, and it really does help. So I highly recommend this if you have sensitive teeth. But I got that. I also got these big packs of Ziploc bags. These are just for packaging up our meals, and I also wanted to get some of these for lunches to, like, I'm actually going to make some, like, homemade, what are they called? My mind's going blank. Uncrustables. My husband loves them and the kids love them, so I'm going to make some homemade ones. I also got some asparagus, green beans, 2 packs of those, a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper for the chicken fajitas I plan on making, 2 things of cream cheese for one of the recipes I'll be making this week, some Swiss cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese. These are red grapefruit, a large onion, some 2% milk. I got 3 rolls of paper towels, a huge bag of seasoned fries. Once again, this was a complete accident. I wasn't paying attention to the size on the online thing. I usually just go off of the way it looks, and that is my mistake, but we will eat these. Trust me, they're super good. I also got my favorite type of chips, the kettle cooked jalapenos. I love these, so I got me a big bag just to snack on. We got the hot dog buns for the hot dogs, some hamburger buns for one of the recipes I'll be making this week. This is the bread that I will be using for the sandwiches, which this is the auju gravy I buy. I like this a lot. I also got some honey wheat bread, some mixed fruit to make some smoothies, a can of this Rotel mild diced tomatoes and green chilies, 2 ranch packet mixes, some chili. I got some jelly and some peanut butter, a bunch of ramen noodles. These, what are these called? Muffins. These are just original muffins. These are so good with jelly on them, so I'll make those for, like, breakfast. I got a pack of pork chops right here for $6.46. Sorry, it's upside down. $6.46. And then a large pack of chicken, and this was $12.62. And then over here, I got my husband a 24-pack of Dr. Pepper, a big box of wipes. I asked for the 3-pack. They actually substituted it for the large box, which is great. So I got those. I also got a big bag of dog chow and some water. And that is everything. I just wanted to remind you guys to make sure you check out the description box. I always have the meal plan listed, lunch ideas, breakfast. A lot of times our lunches and breakfasts are pretty much the same, but it just gives you some ideas. You can always just screenshot it, and it could help with your grocery list. So anyway, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So really quick, I totally forgot to mention that Walmart gave me a little gift bag for using the grocery pickup for the second time. I don't know if that's something that they do every time or for everyone, but I thought it was sweet. So they gave me some Sweet Tart Roper bites. Looks like just some, paperwork. And, ooh, that's one of my favorites. These are my favorite chocolates. What else did they put in here? Some Smart Food popcorn. Oh. A little Glade warmer. Oh, look. Some ranch dressing. Now that I'll have 3 packs now. A Sprite. I love Sprite too. And what are these? These are a little olive oil packet, so that's neat. So, thanks, Walmart. That was sweet of you.